Microsoft Azure Product Reviews. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform that has gained significant popularity over the past few years. It is a comprehensive set of tools and services that allow users to build, deploy, and manage applications and services in the cloud. In this article, we will review Microsoft Azure and evaluate its features, benefits, and drawbacks. Firstly, let's talk about the design of Microsoft Azure. The platform has a modern and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. Users can access a wide range of tools and services from a single dashboard, making it easy to manage and monitor their cloud infrastructure. Additionally, Microsoft Azure is available across multiple regions and data centers, which allows users to choose the location that is closest to their target audience. Moving on to the features of Microsoft Azure, the platform offers a wide range of services that cater to different business needs. These services include virtual machines, storage, networking, databases, and more. Microsoft Azure also supports a variety of programming languages and frameworks, making it easy for developers to build and deploy applications in the cloud. One of the most significant benefits of Microsoft Azure is its scalability and flexibility. The platform allows users to easily scale their resources up or down based on demand, which helps to optimize costs and improve performance. Additionally, Microsoft Azure offers a variety of deployment options, including private, public, and hybrid cloud, which allows users to choose the option that best suits their business needs. Another benefit of Microsoft Azure is its security and compliance features. The platform offers a variety of security tools and services, including firewalls, encryption, and identity management, which help to protect user data and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Additionally, Microsoft Azure has been certified by numerous compliance standards, including ISO 27001, HIPAA, and CDSS. However, Microsoft Azure does have some drawbacks that are worth mentioning. Firstly, the platform can be complex and overwhelming for users who are not familiar with cloud computing. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the platform's documentation and support, which can make it difficult to troubleshoot issues or learn how to use new features. Let's dive deeper into the features of Microsoft Azure. One of the standout features of the platform is its AI and machine learning capabilities. Microsoft Azure offers a variety of tools and services that enable users to build and deploy AI models and applications. These tools include Azure Machine Learning, Cognitive Services, and Bot Service, which allow users to add intelligent features to their applications, such as natural language processing, image recognition, and chatbots. Another feature that sets Microsoft Azure apart from other cloud computing platforms is its integration with other Microsoft services. Users can easily integrate Microsoft Azure with other Microsoft products, such as Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Power BI, which allows for seamless data sharing and collaboration across different applications. Additionally, Microsoft Azure has a robust ecosystem of third-party tools and services, which allows users to easily extend the platform's functionality. The pricing model for Microsoft Azure is also worth noting. The platform offers a variety of pricing options, including pay-as-you-go, reserved instances, and enterprise agreements.